What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of British pound US dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, what you see the time frame, this is 4 hour time frame, British pound US dollar. Now, in this time frame, now we see there has been a trading opportunity. Now, before I tell you how we can trade this instrument in this time frame, let me show you a multi-time frame analysis to get further confirmation in this trading opportunity. So let's start with monthly time frame first to see the bigger picture. Now on the monthly, as I have mentioned in quite a few of my analysis, including my weekly forex forecast, the British pound US dollar is in a downtrend for a very long period of time. It's a completely downtrending market, and in this downtrending market, the last month of this trading week, we saw a healthy bearish candle with a strong red body, including a wick at the bottom. So this week basically a retracement of this move to the downside. So if we break this down, this candle, this is something like this. So there has been an impulse, there has been a correction. So in a downtrending market, the language of market is impulse correction. Now it is likely to create another impulse to the downside. With that being said, British pound US dollar is look like it will drop further, at least to this level of support, because this is where the highest liquidity, the doji, is here. So with that being said, we have a move to take in this instrument. Let's see on the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly, as usual, as expected, after the previous week's close here, we saw significant retracement. Now we see that British pound US dollar is dropping, and I think that it will slowly will drop and may drop a lot to the downside. So let's see now on the daily time frame how the price action is forming. Now on the daily, you saw that previous day British pound US dollar almost broke couple of days high, almost 3 days high, tested this 20 period moving average and broke to the downside with a strong bearish engulfer. Now after this kind of bearish engulfer, what you can expect, British pound US dollar to drop slowly, melt to the downside. Now if you have seen my weekly forex forecast, where exactly that is what I expected. What did I mention in the weekly forex forecast? That British pound US dollar is likely to uprise along this zone exactly to this point and then likely to drop. If you haven't seen that, watch that. I will put a link below this video. And British pound US dollar have done exactly as it is. Smash the like button now. Now at this point, how we can trade now, you see that this is the 4 hour time frame. As I mentioned, now after 1.5 hour, this current candle is closing. Now I'm considering two possible scenario. The first possible scenario, if this 4 hour candle, this one closes like this without breaking the previous high and keeping a previous low, high probability that British pound US dollar may drop from here directly. On the other hand, what I think that British pound US dollar in this 4 hour or next 4 hour may rise to the upside along this zone, maybe breaking this 20 period moving average, testing this trend line again, which is high probability to happen. So testing this trend line, if you see there is a long term, 4 hour short in this time frame, there is a trend line. We saw a significant resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and we might see that British pound US dollar is coming up to test this resistance and then dropping. So in either cases, if this one closes as a doji like that, then we might enter a trade from here, short trade directly, going short from here, keeping stop loss above with a narrow, with a proper risk management. On the other hand, if we see that British pound US dollar has risen up to this level, then I will be watching price action for going short from this zone with a high risk to reward ratio with our students and VIP members. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button for me. And also, don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.